Welcome to Grandad's Reviews. So this is part 3. So we're looking at Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. Now I'm no colour grader, editor. I just do what I need to do to get these videos out. So what I thought, easiest way, we'll look at Dehancer while I'm editing the first video. So we're just going to use one little bit of a clip of it. So we're in DaVinci Resolve. I've downloaded Dehancer for DaVinci Resolve, let it install. That was easy enough. So we're just going to use this clip. So we go to the colour tab. Now in the instructions, again I'll leave the instructions as a link below. I recommend in your colour management that we do it as DaVinci Colour Managed Custom. Our input space is Rec 709, running to DaVinci Wide Gamut Intermediate, and our output's going to be Rec 709 again. And that's what they recommend. So we're in the colour tab, got another node. We go over to our effects. We'll just search for Dehancer, and there's Dehancer there, and we'll just drag that onto this node, and we basically get the same set as we had in the stills. So we've got the profiles here. So let's have a look what we've got. We can go Cine still. Fuji Reala. Ooh. A Turner. Let's do a Turner 500. There. I think we've got quite a few in there, so we're going to stick with that. So we've got the same basic controls. Change whatever you need. And we can push and pull it. Click in the name. So we can enable or disable that film emulation there. We've got develop, we've got compression, we've got expand, the same as before. Go into expand. We'll do it under Luma. Got a print profile. Let's just turn that off. Got a colour head again. We can do a bit of halation if we want. Bloom. And we've got film damage if we want to put that on as well. Got the gate weave, we've got the overscan, vignetting as well. But we've got some other options as well. We can put false colours on to see where we're clipping, or just a clipping indicator. We can do the amount of impact this is having on the output. So basically we're reducing the effect. We could do full effect or half effect or whatever. Can actually create a LUT from this as well. And then we got the quality of how it's being rendered. This was shot in a bit of a log, so we need a bit of a contrast boost, bit of a colour boost there. So we've got a clean feed here, so this is what we're looking at. If I just disable, so this is looks like. That was before, that was after. They're quite easy to do. So that's how it works. It's quite easy to set up. So yeah, so all you have to do is drop that onto a node and play with all the settings just to get it how you want. As I say, I'm not a professional video editor or anything, so it's a matter of you just going through all these settings and getting the look that you need. And again, I'll leave a link to the instructions so you can get a better idea of what all the different settings do. I mean, obviously we can change the input settings if we want to. This is just the main, like the source in the Dehancer in Lightroom, and it's got exactly the same settings laid out that you can adjust. So that's my quick look at Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. Not a lot that I can show you, to be honest. It's easy to install, it's easy to load onto your node system. I'm going to say that's before, that's after. Yeah, you can get some good looks. Going to 100%. We've got grain. Got a bit of softness. Yeah, it looks quite good. I might actually use this for the whole video. Just give it a tweak. So, as I say, my quick look at Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. I'm more a stills person than a video person. So, have a play. See what you can get. It's quite easy to use. I've got no complaints. In fact, these controls are better in here than they are in the Lightroom plugin. They're not super sensitive, whereas in Lightroom they are. So yeah, if they could have that amount of control in the Lightroom one, that would be an advantage as well. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. That helps YouTube algorithms. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.